Hello and welcome to CryptoNovus News, where we try to bring you the top news stories of the day in the world of crypto. Today is Wednesday, 7/28, 2020, and the time where I'm located is actually 9:41 p.m., but you can tell by the screen that it is actually, in certain parts of the world, early in the morning, July 29th. Bitcoin, of course, is obviously in the news. We're seeing here that the Bitcoin price is hovering just a little over $40,000. So let's take a closer look to see what exactly has been happening in the world of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. So here's a price chart, trading view price chart. We can see back, Bitcoin had dipped all the way down on the 21st of July, the 20th of July, all the way down to $29,000, and it's wicked down as low as almost 29,000 even. Since the 20th, over the last 8 days, Bitcoin has shown strong aggression to the upside, with only a couple of different moments where it just kind of paused before it continued to shoot up. It's gotten as high as $40,691, and right now it is hovering right above the $40,000 mark. This is the 4-hour chart, which you can see there's very little resistance above this on the 4-hour chart. And there's good stability if Bitcoin decides to come down at around 35,000. But if we go ahead and we take a look at the day chart, we can see here a little bit bigger picture. Obviously, we can see where Bitcoin used to be as high as the $64,000 level. And we're sitting here at a place where we've been before, 40,000. And between 40,000 and 47,000, there is not much resistance. And so really what Bitcoin needs to do, and after listening to a few different people, other crypto commentators on YouTube, getting past the $40,000 level, trying to get up around 42 to then bounce off of the 40 is really what people are trying to expect at this point in time. But this chart clearly, I was listening to Ben Armstrong at Bitboy Crypto today. What this chart is really illustrating, with this plunge to the downside all the way down to this level of 30,000. I mean, that was clearly manipulation and a short squeeze. He did mention something more about another short squeeze happening before it starts to really rally to the upside. But what I'm looking forward to is that it gets above basically 42, gets past these two levels here where there's not too much resistance, get into around the 44, come back down and settle on around the $40,000 level, and then bounce back up. So that's something for us to kind of watch and take a look at. The thing that everyone has been talking about is Bitcoin, and since basically back here in May, so basically the month of May and the month of June and most of July, the crypto market obviously has been depressed, prices have been low, and it hasn't been too exciting. In some ways, it's been extremely painful, especially for those of you who may be new to the market. But things are about ready to get exciting again, and things are about to come up, similar to what we're seeing back here in the month of February, where Bitcoin went from 33,000 all the way up to the $56,000 level. So to give you a hint that things are not dead in this market, let's take a look at what is happening here with Amazon. Amazon is looking to hire a digital currency blockchain expert. Now, if Amazon is looking to do this, that tells you very clearly that this market is far from being dead. And so what they're looking to hire right here, and this is a pretty good article about what they're looking for, says Amazon is looking to add a digital currency blockchain expert to its payments team, suggesting the company could be taking a more serious look at the cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. They're actually taking a look at more than just Bitcoin. In fact, I'm going to be doing another video on two coins that I personally have some very strong interest in, that Amazon is taking a look at, and we'll kind of take a deeper dive into them. I'll give you a little slight hint. They both start with A. Here it says, in the ad, it says, you will leverage your domain expertise in blockchain, distributed ledgers, CBDCs, and cryptocurrency to develop a case for the capabilities which should be developed, drive overall vision and product strategy. So obviously Amazon's making a big commitment, and if they're willing to make that kind of commitment, then it clearly suggests to us that this market is far from dead, and to be looking for some exciting activity in terms of price on the upside in the coming months. Hope you guys are doing well. That is just crypto news for now. Remember, CryptoNovus is where newbies become masters. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.